The battle over health care was the talk of the country, and it still remains a matter of hot debate. A discussion took place today in Cleveland Heights involving President Obama's point person on the subject. News Channel 5's John Kosick was the only television reporter there and joins us now with more.
Yeah, Chris, Secretary of Health and Human Services Kathleen Sebelius knows health care, and she knows Ohio. Her father is former Governor John Gilligan. Knowledge of both is crucial for President Obama in convincing voters here in Ohio the benefits of the new health care law. By a 2-to-1 margin, Ohioans voted last fall to preserve their right to choose their health care coverage. It was seen by many as a protest vote against the president's health care reforms. What it showed at very least is work needs to be done to convince Ohio voters of its benefits. That is what, in part, brought Secretary of Health and Human Services Kathleen Sebelius to Northeast Ohio.
There's been a lot of, again, misinformation about somehow this is a government takeover. This is a private market strategy. It uses private insurance companies, but it gets rid of some of the worst insurance rules.
Sebelius and Senator Sherrod Brown hearing from people benefiting already.
I can't tell you enough what this act means to me.
Primarily in the area of denying coverage for pre-existing conditions.
I think there are a couple of thousand people in Ohio who are now on the pre-existing condition pool who literally could not get coverage, have some life-threatening disease, and now are alive because they can get treatments, get the care they need.
For his part, Brown has come under fire for his support of Obamacare, including these ads running now paid for by the U.S. Chamber of Commerce.
There's a lot of outside money in this state, oil company money, insurance company money, saying a lot of things, but when people in their living rooms and in their senior centers sit down and talk about, oh, that new health care law, it did this for my mom, it did this for my son, it did this, I think all those TV ads are just background noise.
And while attention in the state right now is on the primary in 2 weeks, those ads are an early indication of the general election battles still to come. On your side, John Kosick, News Channel 5.